everyone! Welcome to my science lab! Today, I have a special tool. It's called a microscope. Let's see something tiny. A microscope helps us see tiny things we cannot see with our eyes. It makes small things look big. Let's try it now. Okay, I'm looking now. Wow, I see something. It looks so different. This is amazing! I see many little shapes. They look like tiny circles. Some are very close together. So interesting! Let me adjust the focus. Now it looks clearer. I can see more details. Wow, so cool! I see patterns everywhere. They look like tiny cells. Each one is different. Science is fun. I wish you could see this. It's like a secret world. So small but so beautiful. I love it! Let's change the sample. I'll put a new one in. Ready to look again? Let's go! Wow, this looks different. Some things are moving. They are alive! That's so exciting! There is a tiny world around us. We just can't see it. Science helps us discover it. That's amazing! Let me look one more time. Everything is so detailed. I learned so much! This is fun! Time to say goodbye. Thanks for exploring with me. See you next time. Keep learning and discovering.